Hello everyone, I am here today and I'm so excited because I have a journal from Kitty Witty Papercraft. Kitty Witty Papercraft, if you have not seen her yet, she does these amazing journals. She does them with little golden books, but her signature, I think, is the sewing journals that she does, the sewing pattern journals. And if you want to see more of Kitty Witty, go to her Instagram, and it's Kitty Witty Papercraft on Instagram, and it's there you'll see what she has coming up next in her shop on Etsy, which also goes by Kitty Witty Papercrafts. Let's get started. So she sends her journals in on these sewing patterns actually, and she wraps them up, and her name's Amy, so she'll say it on Instagram. So anyways, and then she uses washi tape and shuts it, so, or keeps it closed. Okay, I'm so excited, guys. This is like so amazing. This is her Christmas traveler's notebook. There we go. Okay, and here is Simplicity. And this is the actual holder of the patterns. And she uses these as her covers. She uses lots of washi tape, which of course you know I'm just in love with washi tape these days. And these beautiful ribbons that I used to wear, these exact ribbons, the same texture and in my hair when I was a little girl. And I guess what has drawn me to Kitty Witty is that she does a lot of these simplicity patterns that my mother used to use when I was a little girl. And I remember going to the cloth stores, or the sew stores, I guess, and I'd go with my mom, and I'd be like, I guess from 4 to 7, and my mother and I would go in and we'd look at all the patterns, and she'd ask me what I liked, and I could choose, and she would make me whatever I saw. And those are some fond memories I have with my mom. And I have to admit, I have purchased quite a few of these. When I start posting things for Lifestar, if you see a lot of these, so these simplicity journals, it's because I love them dearly. I love the memories of me and my mother, and that's what this is all about for me. So anyways, it just makes me feel so good. So let's take a look in. This is a Christmas one, and she did lots of pinks and blues for Christmas, which is really nice. And she has a little bird here. Merry Christmas. Look at this paper here. It has these little sparkly inside the flower, which looks so good. I will eventually fill up my journals, and when I do, I will post them again. But I also like the idea of posting a video of the journals where I have yet to put anything in. You guys can see just how beautiful they are. Any journals that I have, I'll do. I'll always post first, and then later on when I start adding things, I'll maybe do a page here or there. So look how cute that is. Holiday wishes. Peace, love, and joy, Mary, Mary. Isn't that cute? This little pocket here. Santa's Helpers Club. So a little washi tape keeping this nice. And she uses a lot of these children book pages. And I love, the traditional Christmas colors, but I really, really like it in the pinks, in the sparkles, in the blues. I love, love, love this pink sparkly gold paper. And here she has a cloth tag, and she put one of these little yummy Christmas mints and a snowflake as a tab. Oh, I love these candles. Aw, look at that. How adorable. Oh, I guess she has a film. I didn't even know this was in here. Look how cute. Little packets of goodies with a cute little candy striped string. Absolutely love these candles. That makes me so happy, seeing the sparkles in the paper. Kitty Witty has a really delicate vintage feel. Her inspiration, I think, comes from the 60s and 70s, where she has these cute vintage papers that she uses. When you go and see her Instagram, you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. Cherish this. I will show you more of the Kitty Witty things that I have. Some of her Kitty Witties, she puts these little pom-poms on the side. I love it. Mary. It's too pretty to use, but I will use it. But sometimes I just think, how could I write in this? But I'm going to use these books for my childhood memories and pictures from my childhood, since these remind me most of that. This is sort of going to be like a little album of things that I enjoyed when I was young, and some pictures and thoughts of my parents. And oh, look how cute. Thank you so much for joining me for this Christmas Sunday. I hope you enjoyed the Simplicity Traveler's Journal. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.